Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to categorize your stories on Wattpad. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. And below you can see your stories. Choose the story you want to categorize. Tap on Edit in the middle section. Tap on Story category. And from this list you can choose a category. Tap on the category you want to add. And when you are finished, tap on Save at the top right corner. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!